What's up? We are up here on top of a, used to be a law office. Actually, before that it was a bank, then it was a law office, and now it's a radio station. We are aiming a Ultrahorn. It's one thing about this whole WISP thing that I didn't realize going in. Luckily, it's not too big of an issue, but you better be okay with heights because you're going to be on roofs and ladders and who knows what pretty often if you do this kind of thing. But yeah, this is how we are going to get on the big 400-foot tower. This place, they don't broadcast out of this building apparently. They send through the internet their broadcast over to the big tower, and then from there they broadcast. So they're the ones hooking us up with access to the giant tower. And that's going to be awesome. I can't wait to get on that damn thing. And climb it. I'll climb it. That's right. I ain't afraid of heights. Let's do it. We mounted this one upside down on the mount, so it gets a little bit more height. What I mean by that is this part, it's upside down. Okay, this is supposed to hang down below it, but you can flip it upside down like this and get, you know, another, I don't know, probably 2 feet, something like that, because we're shooting through a whole bunch of trees and stuff, so we need all the elevation we can get to make this work. I'm still somewhat skeptical that it'll work because it's not really that high still. It's only, I'm 6 feet tall and it's a, you know, foot above me maybe, something like that. So it's not really that high off the ground, and it's not very high over those trees either. Line of sight is important. I'm pretty sure that's why I'm not getting the speeds that I'm supposed to be getting on my shot. I too am running into some trees, so I think that's the issue. That won't be an issue for long. Once I get on the big tower, then nothing's in the way. If you're 350 some odd feet above the ground, ain't nothing in your way then. You're good to go. But it works. The connection since doing the re-aiming and all that stuff has been really good. Nice and solid. The speeds are better than they were, and that's all even after lowering the power, and I think I bumped the bandwidth down a little bit too. I don't remember, but it is lower power, that's for sure. The dBi went down, I think 6 dBi. So less power, more speed, cleaner signal. Ultrahorns for the win. These things are awesome, and they're so much easier to aim. You just loosen up a couple bolts, and you can whoop, whoop, whoop. So much easier. The old 24 gigahertz radios that I had, those aimed pretty easy because they had a big mount that you'd mount on the pole, and then you'd hang the actual radio part on it, and then that part you could move back and forth. It had screws for azimuth and windage, or azimuth and elevation rather, and that wasn't too bad to aim. I had no idea what I was doing back then, but you know, live and learn. I'd probably be able to do it okay now. These are still easier though, because you just loosen a couple bolts and super simple. Very cool. So yeah, this is how I'm spending my Sunday, at least the beginning of it. Up here on the roof, aiming Ultrahorns for John. Thought I'd bust out the nice camera for everybody and get some nice pretty shots of everything. Pretty cool up here. Where is downtown? There it is. Oh yeah. Out here aiming another Ultrahorn. Thought I'd set up the camera and get some nice pretty shots for you. It's nice out today. See this? This is why I live in Phoenix right here. I can wear shorts year round. It's freaking December. It's almost Christmas and I'm in shorts. Gotta love it. I want to shoot those pigeons. I do. I want to shoot them so bad. There was even one poking his pretty little dome piece right up over there. I was like, oh, there he is. He's back. I see you, bitch. I'll cap your ass right there. Get him. Helicopter. Can't see it in the screen. I have no idea if you can see it or not. I should be able to. I don't know. Can't see it on my little postage stamp size screen. It's really the only thing about the Osmo Pocket that makes it a little tricky to use is the screen is tiny. But to be pocketable, that's kind of, you know, goes with the territory. So we just started aiming, and it dawned on me that the way that we need to go, see, it's like right here, is pointed directly at those trees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the radio and everything over here and see if maybe I can get it to connect kind of going around them a little bit. Instead of shooting directly at those trees right there, maybe I can try to go over here. I don't know. We're gonna give it a shot, but I gotta drag that bitch over here. So you get to watch me drag this son of a bitch. Yeah. Luckily, it's not very heavy. It's just very top heavy. I don't want the bitch to fall over. Come on. Come on. It is a weird feeling backing up towards the edge of the roof, I must say. A little bit unnerving. All right, there we go. Yeah, backing up towards the ledge is a little asshole puckering. So we need to go right about like that. And let's pull up the app. Still nothing. But it should be better. He'll have to move his end a bit. Because I moved a good, 30 feet, 20 feet, something like that. So, yeah. He'll have to, at least a little, move his side. But we shall see if that does the trick. And I was just made aware of this app. It's called Antenna Pointer. Basically it just draws a line on a map for you, but it'll show you which direction you're facing and all that. This app is amazing. It is so useful. Dear God, I wish I had this before. We had to come over to the data center and change some stuff around. Like there's my horn. You remember that from last episode. It's still chooching away. But this is the other end of the link where I was just at, that horn up there. It was next to all those sectors, and it was getting interference from them. It wouldn't connect. He was over here while I was on the other side, and he took it down, put it on a random pole, wherever the hell the pole went. Pole's over there for some reason. But put it on a random pole, and it connected just fine. So we fabric-hobbled this janky fucking bullshit together and raised it up some, and it connected. We're trying to get it dialed in now because it's going over right to the right of that building. This big white building is part of the airport, I think. This little building right here is the hospital, and we're going just to the right of it. Basically, don't do it this way. This, I mean, it works, it's fine, but yeah, it's less than ideal. It gets the job done, but yeah. He had to run back over to where I was before. He's gonna try, he's gotta move that one a little bit up because this one is higher than it was before. So he's gonna move that up, and yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. We shall see. Bye-bye. Can I see it? Can I see it? I can almost see it. I stand on this mound. Well, I don't care right now. I'm freaking tired, so use your imagination. It's up there. We got it connected finally. Shit, I got there at what, 8:30? It's 20 to 3. Yeah. Long ass day. I'm tired and I'm hungry, but it works. So Like this shit right here, I don't even care. I don't even care. So you think you want to start a WISP, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Get ready for long days of hauling cinder blocks and shit on the roofs.
And extraordinarily dangerous ladders that are like 1.5 inches from the wall.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna die getting off that bitch this morning.
Yeah.
Because it's this far off the wall and the roof is wet. So my shoes are wet and I'm like, I'm gonna fall and die. But I didn't, obviously. Yay. I don't know, I'm rambling. Bye-bye. Like, share, sub, all that horse shit. Later.